Assalamualaikum, my name is Rabiah Tandawiyah binti Muhammad Razwan. Number matric is A21A3046. So, I will present about the introduction. Bank Rakyat provides Murabaha, a popular Islamic financial product that complies with Sharia law. One of the top Islamic banks, Bank Rakyat, provides a variety of financial service and product, including Murabaha. By making its cost and profit margins publicly available to clients, Bank Rakyat guarantees transparency in Murabaha transaction. The concept of profit and loss is crucial in traditional banking like CIMB. The principle that governs CIMB's operation as a traditional banking organization differs from those of Islamic finance. Profit and loss are real components of financial activities in a traditional banking system. Like other traditional banks, CIMB makes loan and make investment with the goal of making monies for its stockholders.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Sharifuddin Mimazan. My number matric is A21A2595. I want to present about the variety of feature of the instrument, product, contract of Islamic financial instrument of Murabaha by Bank Rakyat. Murabaha stand as a fundamental pillar in Islamic finance, employing by estimate institutions such as Bank Rakyat to facilitate trade transaction in strict adherence to Sharia principle. As a key financial tool for Bank Rakyat, Murabaha serves as a testament to the institution commitment to Sharia compliant financial practice and its dedication through providing customer with trade facilitation solution grounded in Islamic finance principle. Firstly, we can see a mechanism. The first point is customer request, and then asset identification, price disclosure, and deferred payment. Key component of Islamic financial instrument of Murabaha by Bank Rakyat. The firstly is buyer and seller agreement. Secondly is asset identification, price disclosure, and deferred payment. There are some benefit of Islamic financial instrument of Murabaha by Bank Rakyat. The first point is accessible financing, and the second benefit is avoidance of interest. Next is risk sharing, and the lastly is facilitation of trade. And then the challenge of Islamic financial instrument of Murabaha by Bank Rakyat. The first point is risk management, asset quality, and then regulatory compliance. The variety of feature of the instrument, product, contract of conventional counterpart of installment sale or credit sale by CIMB Bank. The conventional counterpart of an installment sale or credit sale offered by CIMB conventional typically revolve around various financial products that cater to customers seeking credit or financing option compliant with conventional banking principle. These products often include installment sale or credit sale product. The first one is personal financing, and here purchase and credit card. The key component conventional counterpart of installment sale or credit sale by CIMB Bank is, the first one is interest-based financing, fixed or variable interest rate, credit assessment, repayment structure, and collateral requirement. The benefit conventional counterpart of installment sale or credit sale by CIMB Bank. The first one is accessible financing, flexible repayment term, diverse users. The challenge conventional counterpart of installment sale or credit sale by CIMB Bank. The first one is interest cost, risk of over-indebtedness, asset risk in higher purchase.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Maisura Shuhaidan binti Abdullah. My student ID is A21825563. Today, I will present about advantages and disadvantages about profit and loss by CMB Bank. Firstly, positive inflows can be generated by the product and service, and the bank high level of liquid assets will prevent it from facing liquidity problems. CMB Bank is better able to prevent or manage risk, like credit risk and liquidity risk. The profit and loss report allows investors to assess the return of their investment while also helping shareholders in understanding how much they earn per share. Next, we move to drawback about profit and loss. The amount of money owing may be unrecoverable and must be taken off if clients file or bankruptcy. The seller's capitals remains blocked as they have invested an amount in buying the asset or the product. Then we continue about pros and cons about Murabaha by Bank Rakyat. The pros is this is attractive to people searching for good financial solutions as well as being in line with Islamic teachings. Moreover, financing through Murabaha Bank Rakyat tends to be used for large purchases including equipment, cars and real estate. By offering financing options, Bank Rakyat can attract customers who might not have been able to make a purchase with a one-time payment. The drawbacks are the Murabah schemes. Current practices still break from the original Islamic understanding of the concept, even though many Islamic finance companies carry them out. And lastly, the client are frequently somewhat forced to accept the Sharia bank's fee. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nur Aifaya binti Othman. Matric number A21827161. I will continue with the comparison between installment sale or credit sale and Murabaha by CIMB Conventional and Bank Rakyat. First comparison is interest and profit margin. Interest is assessed on the outstanding balance in installment sales. When a consumer buys product or services on credit in a traditional banking installment sale, the bank levies interest on the balance owed. This interest is computed as a fixed percentage on the outstanding principal balance. But in Murabaha, the profit margin is declared up front and interest not assessed. In Islamic banking, Murabaha involves the bank disclosing a profit margin up front rather than charging interest. When a customer wants to buy something through Murabaha, the bank buys it and then mark it up to the customer price, which include the agreed upon profit margin in addition to the item's original costs. Second is Islamic principle. Murabaha is compliant with Islamic law, which forbid the payment of interest riba. In a Murabaha transaction, the bank and the consumer agree to a cost plus profit model rather than charging interest the asset or good that the customer requires are by the bank, which then mark them up to include the original cost plus a predetermined profit margin. There is no additional interest applied to the deferred payments, and this profit margin is revealed up front. Installment sale, on the other hand, may require interest payment that are not consistent with Sharia. Interest payment and receipt are considered to be in contradiction with Sharia law, which forbid riba. The tenet of Islamic finance places a strong emphasis on morality and just a financial transaction. Charging interest is seen as exploitative and unfair, and therefore goes against Sharia. Next is product offerings. For a variety of purchases, CIMB may provide a range of credit option or installment plan. The strategy used by Bank Rakyat and CIMB vary with regard to target customer segment and financing method, particularly with regard to credit facilities and financing options. Personal loan, auto loans, credit card installment plans, and other financing choices intend to support purchases or monetary requirement are examples of these credit facilities. Murabahah is the main tool used by Bank Rakyat to provide Islamic financing option and product offerings to clients looking for financial solutions that adhere to Sharia. The main reason Bank Rakyat use Murabahah is to provide Islamic financial options, which include financing for homes, cars, personal loans, and other products that adhere to Sharia law.
So the conclusion is Islamic banking's murabahah and installment sales, also known as credit sales, offer important insight into the features, benefits, and contrasts of these two financial products. The importance of comprehending this distinction in order to make wise financial decisions is then emphasized when going over the benefits and drawbacks of both financial products. All things considered, this offers a true rundown of Islamic banking's credit sale and installment sales, accommodating a wide range of client requirement and preference. That's all from me. Thank you.